getting ready to think about possibly considering sprinkling rain a little bit. All the chicken babies are hanging around the front of the porch. There's Oscar the cat. So we're going to read Forever Birds. You ready, baby? Sit and listen. She did, she said. Jesus, there's that noise the birds do, that noise they do when the night comes on. When the birds know something is wrong, but they carry on, everyone assumes they'll live forever. I went through it forever once, leaving instances behind even, but it made no difference. Birds are the messengers. Birds are the passengers on the backs of the people we wish we could be. You and me could see forever with the right inclination, but the birds will just be. Love your soul.